How I made my first dollar online, beginner story. You know that feeling when you finally make your first dollar online? It's not just about the money, it's about proof that this thing actually works. In this episode, I'll share exactly how I made my first dollar online, the lessons I learned, and how you can start your own journey today, even if all you have is your phone. When I first started looking for ways to make money online, I had no idea where to begin. I watched tons of videos, read countless blogs, and honestly, I felt overwhelmed. Everywhere I looked, people were saying, "It's easy, just do this." But for me, nothing seemed to work. Still, I didn't give up. I told myself, if others can do it, then so can I. One day, while scrolling through my phone, I came across a small freelancing app where people got paid to write short posts and product reviews. It didn't sound like much, but I decided to give it a try. I created my profile, followed the steps carefully, and started writing my first task, all from my phone. It took me about 30 minutes, but I felt proud of myself just for completing it. A few hours later, I got a notification. It said, "You've earned $1.20. I couldn't believe it. I actually screamed a little, not because of the amount, but because that was the moment it became real. I realized you don't have to be a genius, you don't need a big setup. You just need to start. That $1 changed everything for me. It gave me confidence. It showed me that making money online wasn't just a dream, it was something I could actually build. So I kept learning, trying new platforms, creating content, and growing step by step. And if you're listening to this right now, I want you to remember, your first dollar is always the hardest, but once it comes, the rest will follow. So that's my story. How I made my first dollar online. It started small, but it opened a whole new world for me. If you're just starting out, keep going. Your first dollar is closer than you think. Thanks for listening. And if you want more real stories and online money tips, follow Netcash Secret everywhere. Your success story starts today.